The 2025 Harley-Davidson Fat Boy 114 continues its legacy as one of the most iconic cruisers in the motorcycle world. With its bold styling, powerful engine, and refined ride characteristics, this bike is built for those who appreciate the perfect balance of classic design and modern performance. This latest iteration enhances the legacy with subtle upgrades that refine its look and feel while staying true to its unmistakable heritage. The design of the 2025 Fat Boy 114 is both muscular and refined. It features solid disc Lancaster wheels that give it a bold stance and wide tires that add to its dominating presence on the road. The large headlamp and chrome details complement the sculpted lines of the fuel tank, while a new tank badge provides a fresh visual touch. Its low-slung profile and beefy front end retain the iconic silhouette that has become synonymous with the Fat Boy name. Underneath the bold exterior lies a Milwaukee Eight 117V twin engine, delivering a strong and responsive ride. This powerful engine produces 104 horsepower and 126 pound-feet of torque, offering excellent acceleration and smooth highway cruising. The updated suspension includes a monoshock rear and dual bending valve front forks, providing improved comfort and control over a variety of road surfaces. Its 6-speed transmission ensures confident shifting and performance at all speeds. The 2025 Fat Boy 114 is available in several color options including vivid black, bright billiard blue, gray haze with silver fortune, and heirloom red fade. Each color enhances the bike's commanding presence, giving riders a range of stylish finishes to suit their tastes. Pricing for the 2025 Harley-Davidson Fat Boy 114 starts at $22,599. The price may vary slightly depending on color choice and optional equipment. This model remains a top choice for those seeking a bold and powerful cruiser with timeless appeal.